の歌が聞こえてくるよ。ぐわぐわぐわぐわゲロゲロゲロゲロぐわぐわぐわ。
When day ends, sun settles, birds fly home and take shelter. There is a still point, a silence, a moment. Then frogs welcome the stars.
One dayが終わり、日が落ちる。鳥たちはねぐらへ帰り、安心を得る。一瞬の動かぬ時、静けさ、ほんの一時。そしてカエルたちが星々を迎える。
I'm standing at this three-way intersection, four-way counting the lane to the south. Those three lanes are past, present and future, but the fourth? I don't know how long I've been standing here or what time of day it is. It feels like I've been here forever, or I am suspended in time, or maybe no time, or that perhaps I'm caught in a never-ending time, or is it a moment of time stopped? Pedestrians, cars, trucks, motorbikes, trains, cars, trucks, clicking green to go crossings, pedestrians, motorbikes, trucks. The sound is merciless, except when there's this one moment where all falls silent completely, where a certain conjunction produces a long pause of silence, where this deep, breathing, heaving mess of a life of never-ending time pours forth into a discrete moment of time stopped, where each and everything, animate, inanimate, has paused for a much-needed collective reset. Yes. But is that what's really happening here? I mean, are we really capable of doing this? Of being the turning point, recognising the tilt enough to start from scratch to make that shift? Or are we, in our multiple oblivions, continually missing this moment, diving deeper into annihilation? You see, I think it all depends. I think it depends on what your configurations are. Are you at ground zero or 0 degrees?